Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to speed up and slow down videos in Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, navigate to your Canva design where you've already added the video you want to adjust. Once you're there, simply click on the video element to select it. This will activate the editing options specifically for that video clip. After selecting your video, direct your attention to the top toolbar of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Edit. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up a panel with various video editing features that allow you to customize your clip in multiple ways, including trimming, filters, and importantly for our tutorial today, playback speed. Now, within the Edit panel, you'll need to scroll down a bit until you find the video speed option. This feature is what controls how fast or slow your video plays, giving you creative control over the pacing and timing of your content. It's particularly useful when you want to create dramatic slow motion effects or speed through lengthy footage. Once you've located the video speed section, you'll notice a slider that you can adjust. If you want to speed up your video, simply drag the slider to the right. Moving it further right increases the playback speed, making your video play faster than its original recording speed. This is perfect for time-lapse effects or when you need to condense longer clips. Alternatively, if you want to slow down your video, drag the slider to the left instead. Moving it leftward decreases the playback speed, creating that slow motion effect that can add emphasis or drama to specific moments in your video. Here's another option for even more precise control. Instead of using the slider, you can type a specific value directly into the speed box. For example, if you want the slowest possible speed, type 0.25. If you want the fastest speed Canva allows, type 2. This numerical input method gives you exact control over your video's playback rate, which is helpful when you need consistency across multiple clips. After you've adjusted the speed to your liking, simply click anywhere outside the video element. This action applies and saves the speed change you just made. Your video will now play at the new speed you've set, whether that's faster or slower than the original. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your video speed in Canva, giving you more creative flexibility with your video projects. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.